Hello designers! Today we are going to learn how to use the offset effect in Illustrator. So when most people try to add an offset to a shape, they just duplicate it and adjust, which sometimes leaves with a no-so-good result and uneven sides. So I made a guide for your convenience. First, how to add offset to a shape. So what you want to do is add your desired shape or design and select it. Then you have to go to Object down to Path and then click Offset Path. Now go on and select Miter and add your desired offset value, and you're done. You can also change the value to add the stroke inwards or outwards as per your requirement. Now how to add offset to a text. Firstly, go on, select your text. Then enter your text you want to add. Then go to Appearance and click on the 3 lines on the top right corner. Then you want to add the value of stroke you want to add. From there, click on Add New Effect down below. Then go up to Path and click on Offset Path and add your desired value. Now again, click on Add New Effect and go to Pathfinder from there. Select Add to get rid of the overlapping lines. And you're done. Now if you want to change the text, just click on it and enter the text you want to add. Subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on my Instagram for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.